Why do shoes smell?
Mainly result from bacteria and fungi breaking down sweat and dead skin in warm, moist environments. These microbes release unpleasant compounds, like isovaleric acid, causing the familiar stinky smell. Understanding the cause of shoe odor helps us target the problem scientifically, stopping it at the source rather than just masking it with fragrances.
Baking soda, a chemistry solution.
Baking soda works as a natural deodorizer thanks to its alkaline properties. When sprinkled in shoes, it neutralizes acids produced by bacteria. Leave it overnight to absorb both odor and moisture. In the morning, shake out the excess. This simple chemical reaction leaves shoes noticeably fresher and is safe for most materials.
The power of sunlight and air.
Fresh air and sunlight are powerful tools for freshening shoes. UV light from the sun helps kill odor-causing microbes, while air circulation dries out moisture, slowing bacterial growth. Place shoes outside in a dry, sunny spot for several hours. This natural method is eco-friendly and highly effective for maintaining shoe hygiene.
Vinegar and alcohol, odor-fighting liquids.
White vinegar and isopropyl alcohol can help eliminate shoe odors chemically. Lightly spraying the inside of shoes with a diluted vinegar or alcohol solution disrupts bacterial activity, killing microbes and neutralizing smells. Allow shoes to dry thoroughly before wearing them again. Always test a small spot first to avoid material damage.
Preventing future odors.
Prevention is key to keeping shoes fresh. Regularly alternate your shoes to give them time to dry, use moisture-wicking socks, and remove insoles for airing. Washing feet daily and storing shoes in a cool, dry place limits microbial growth. Simple habits, grounded in basic chemistry and biology, can keep smelly shoes in check.